And good morning, it's April 2nd. I'm sitting with one of my patients who had surgery on his neck, and he's graciously agreed to share his story. Now, a lot of patients that come to Deuk Spine Institute have had laser surgery. You had a fusion.
Yes.
How was it?
It was a great experience, actually. I was a little nervous at first, but it went as planned, and I didn't feel no pain, really, to tell you the truth. Went home, and the next day I felt very good.
Yeah. So the reason he felt good is the way we do our fusions at Deuk Spine Institute is very, very different than what you'll get anywhere else. Our patients recover very quickly. They recover almost fully from how they are feeling before surgery with the pain down the arm, in the neck, or the lower back. So our fusions have very, very high success rate of eliminating patient symptoms, and also we rarely ever have complications. I've done over 1,000 cervical fusions at Deuk Spine, and I've had less than 1% complication rate. So why did you have the fusion done on your neck?
Well, I was experiencing a lot of pain, and then I had some numbness in my hand, loss of strength, trouble to function at work, and just the discomfort of the pain was really bad.
All right, so he had neck pain, and he had symptoms in the arm, including weakness, numbness, clumsiness. And how are those arm symptoms now?
Well, I'm getting feeling back slowly. I've only been out now for 5 weeks or since the surgery, and no pain in my neck. I feel great. Honestly, I do.
Good. Mm-hmm. So your strength is getting better in your arm. Your feeling is coming back. It takes time. And then the neck pain is gone. What about headaches? Did you have any headaches before your surgery?
I would suffer headaches, especially, I guess, overnight sleeping. I would get up with a headache, and even sleeping has been better. Overall, I'm very satisfied and feel very good.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's what we aim for. So what are you going to do different now in life, now that that neck pain and arm symptoms are going to be gone?
I'm going to enjoy life.
All right, good. Anything else you want to say to people watching?
Well, that I recommend you. The experience was great here at Deuk. The staff is great at Deuk, and best place to come.
Any
problems?
Any regrets having a fusion, or are you happy?
No regrets at all. I'm very happy with the results.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
life. We'll
Yes.
see you in 6 weeks for another checkup.
Thanks again.